Hi and hello everybody. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show you as to how you can fix the screen blinking issues. Say while sometimes when you connect or disconnect your power adapters onto your laptop, what happens is the screen just goes blank for a couple of seconds and then comes back again. So today in this video tutorial I am going to show you as to how you can fix that issue. So as you see here, I have got my power adapter connected to my laptop. Let me just remove it. Now you saw that it went blank. Now let me connect it back again. It went blank and came up again. So in order to fix this, go to your desktop, right click, choose graphic properties, and under graphic properties choose power, and under power choose battery or on battery. And if you see here, there is a plethora of options, and one of the options is display refresh rate switching. It is right now enabled. Click on disable and then choose apply. Click yes, and now let me just close the screen, refresh it once. And so now let me just unplug the power adapter. So if I unplug the power adapter, nothing happens. You can see the power adapter is unplugged. So let me just put this back. Now the brightness just gets adjusted. So that is how you fix the screen blinking issue when you connect or disconnect your power adapter from the laptop. I hope this was informative and useful. If you feel so, please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.